What's up, guys? Just walking you through your practice test. Remember, this isn't for any points. This is just for you and us to see how well you're doing. A couple things you need to do. You need to watch this video because I'm going to show you how to enter into the Google Doc. Second thing is do the Google Doc and submit it. And there's just a couple little tricks. And the next thing is complete a Google form, which it's going to be harder because you don't have everything set up for you. But the Google Doc is set up like this. So for the first thing, you just wherever it's red is your final answer. That's where you're going to enter. This is the yellow is where you're going to show your work. The tricky part is when you get down to like these the brackets. Now when you click, if I want to show my work here, um, when I click, I just got to make sure the cursor highlights that blue and then that the cursor is up in the top and I can enter stuff there and then I can enter it down below when I double click there. Okay, so now I can enter. So just some logistic things when you're doing the times 10 to the 23rd. So let's say I have 1 mole, I want to enter 1 mole on the bottom, and then up top, I want to enter, I know that there's 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd. Now, you won't be able to do the superscript to the 23rd, so that looks just fine. Now, just remember too, you have a calculator, scientific calculator. You can use Google's. So how I would do that then is I just would say, okay, well, if I have, show you how to enter it, 3.6, and then it's times. So then what you can do is you can go times then the bracket, and then 6.022, and then you want to use this exponent key to the 23rd, and then on the bottom it says divided by 1, and then close the bracket. And then that'll have you do your answer like that. Okay, so then when you e to the 24th, that's all you have to put. So when I put my answer in, I just go 2 decimal points, 2 point, what was it, 16, 2.16, and then do times 10, and then to get the superscript, which is not control period, gets you to be 23rd like that, molecules. So that's how you enter all of that, okay? Um, it gets to be a little bit of a logistic nightmare trying to show your work, which is fine, but just be patient. If you need to write it on your worksheet, great, just do that. Or write it down and take a picture and attach it to the doc. That is plenty good as well. We just want to see that you're doing it and know how to set it up. When you're done with that, submit it, and then the last thing that you'll do is you'll just go through and you'll do the Google form, which is just, we'll just give you your answers. So set it all up, check your answers, and we'll figure out how you guys are doing. Okay. Uh, no stress, super low. And then, oh, last thing is if you need the periodic table, we attached it there. You can just use that's all right there. All right, guys. Good luck.